have a mission. Guess what you're going to do today? Yes, correct. You are going to do baking today, and you are going to bake muffins.
To make a blueberry walnut almond muffin.
Okay. So what's inside?
Something very cool inside.
Something's very cold inside. Okay, what is that?
Blueberry.
Oh, it's blueberry. Anything else?
And
Oh, the blueberry. Oh, the juice. Ooh. What is that? Okay, this is the unsalted butter.
and what I had. These are the eggs.
So cute, the packaging. So this is the vanilla accent. Okay. What is it?
Wow, what? This beautiful stuff.
What's that? Is that a muffin cup? You show everybody?
Something else. This is the almond with brown sugar. This is walnut.
Yeah. Okay, what is this?
No.
This is sugar. Sugar, and this is
Sugar.
the pre-mixed flour. Okay, so we are supposed to chop the butter into smaller pieces.
Do it.
You want to try?
Yeah. Okay. This thing is stuck.
Yes. Hold the bowl. going to put it on. Okay. Where are you gonna put it?
In the oven.
Okay, let's go. See you in a while. So we're going to set it at 175 at 20 at about 20 minutes.